Kalau masa ingin don halenti bermun lek pay no ke kram ke siap daerah kai sana baik dan jongi maro ke tahu bala ya lah dah poi hang lah poi this is my friend
Hello.
say something in Garo
Okay, nampaknya makan. Jangan runa ingat kipci. Langsung like kabo, subscribe kabo, and share kabo, and press the bell icon.
Okay lah saya perlu sampai juga nih video bukan mah sampai lah poi ya jika bang go mentang lagi poi lok jeung jaga nice everything I need mentang là poi này po kịp vậy station trong cái kịp kita nanti kurang best tangan ini baik ini
there are at times there are 131 caves, but now it reduces it to 31, only 31. And this caves have been made for the Jain monks by the King Kharavela. To Jain monks, being Jain monks not go out during rainy season, so they stay inside these caves for 4 months. And the food and etc. were provided by the king of the time, King Kharavela provided to them. Now there are 30 caves in Khandagiri and Udayagiri, including Khandagiri and Udayagiri. So we'll go from this side. So follow me. While going to sleep. So they made an incline for the sleep. They don't use any pillow. They just use this type of incline as a pillow.
Sleep here, sir.
Yeah, they sleep here only. So during the 4-month rainy season, they stay here. Do not go out. Actually, they following ahimsa. When he going out, any creatures can be dead with their leg. So they keep them inside only during the rainy season. Caves are in different names. The name is given like this Baja Ghara Gumpha. Gumpha means cave.
Gumpha, Baja Gumpha, cave. Ini dia cave number 2. Dan itu hanya kita live one lagi cave dengan sampai mah. Baik, penat hari sini.
My friend, say hi. Hi.
Terus pengen nang buat nanti, bikin agak cekah, mau ke cave. Hani don live art lagi, baik. Yuk
Stay here. Live here, and this is the sitting area or drawing area. So it is water is provided by these drills. There is a whole tank made on above this hill, and all the caves are with the facility of water here by these drills.
Ini ketika baharan dah.
So beautiful.
Yes. The Jain monks are believed in non-violence. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. That time they will be.
Taki jenggot.
There will be one day. There was.
Hi, I'm Sam.
Yeah.
Architect arts chunki formaswa and sen period na medieval period na it's very artistic. It's very artistic. Kita you ini kalau kumne kita
Windows like that is look like enclave, but that is just to stay only. Stay for 4 months. The rainy season.
por selama lah pun kami di pensiun kini juga akhir rainy season jeng strong kini
Sa nung jaba. Nappo ba nga?
Kani na pang janora daw ba tay? Kadai. Kena. Tangin lain nak sa sini sejarang. Kita. Wow. Yes.
Tapi clear semua lagi.
Ini berguna dengan lagi.
Terus semua liburan.
Wow. Ini ka cave number 10. Ini ka Ganeshwa Gumpha. Ini ka Ganeshwa Gumpha. Kena baik. Wow.
Gumpha means cave. Gumpha in Odia you can pronounce like Gumpha, but it is in Hindi it's Gupha. And in English as you know caves. Caves.
Oh, in your or some they said Gumpha.
Gumpha. In Odisha in local language we say Gumpha. As in Hindi in Gupha, and now in English is look at these two elephants. You can find that they are not in proper proportion. Look at this. Because the first at that point of time there are no Indian sculptures, no professional Indian sculptures. So they learn from the Greek sculptures, those who have been made in elephant head in Dhauli. So after learning from them, they made this. That's why it is not in proper shape. Actually, the life size is 7:1. If a statue is of 21 centimeter, the head must be 7:1. So this is not.
That means this was the first one they built, right?
Yes, Indian sculptures. And the first sculptures of Bhubaneswar is in Dhauli. That is the elephant taking born from her mother. As you must have read that when Siddhartha Gautam born, the Buddha. Siddhartha Gautam, when he got born, his mother has a dream that instead of a man, human baby, he is going to born an elephant, white elephant. That has been carved in Dhauli. Available in this place, but they bring some other place.
Nêu mau ki yon rak na we. Wa klik deh ke. Yon rak na we ki bu ne pe. Ini betul yang pernah di Padang ini. Ini pasti di Jawa. Kira ada we ki Jakarta. Let's go.
You know, all the caves are related to Jainism. The Jain saints are used to stay there during rainy season. This is a monastery, a Buddhist monastery. Called Chaitya.
Monastery of Buddhists here. Ini kita ke sandstone. Kibawan rak na we. Tuh. Bas.
Like nail preaching here to the students, the followers at this place. This is called Chaitya. This area only relates to Buddhism. Others are Jainism.
Chaitya.
It's a different religion. Like one like Hinduism and Muslim, so like Buddhism and Jainism. Four different religions. Mainly 5 religions are practiced in India: Hinduism, Muslimism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. So these are main 5 religions are followed by Indian people. Jains are very less in numbers. Jains are now very less in numbers. Buddhists also, but Buddhists are coming, and even now they are coming to Buddhism. People, so they are growing day by day nowadays. No. Only this place is related to Buddhism. This where we are standing here, on the top. But below all other areas are related to Jainism, because the king made all this for Jain people, Jain monks, the saints, Jain saints. Actually, during the rainy season, they don't go out. That's why they make the caves, and the arrangement for stay are also there during the rainy season. Because in rainy season, so many little creatures are roaming in the ground, so they don't want to kill them. When you are walking on them, they must be killed by them. That's why being they are the follower of non-violence, so they don't go out during the rainy season. You must have seen some Jain monks are put some clothes on here. You must have seen. When he talking, they are going to talk. Some small creatures may go into their mouth and lost their life. That's why they keep a cloth on cloth. The strict on the non-violence even now. The 24 Tirthankars of Jain, 24 Tirthankars. Jainism have 24 different gurus. They are called Tirthankars. The statues of you can find there 24 Tirthankar, as well as the Gram Devi. This is the counterpart of that. This is a Chaitya. This structure is a Buddhist monastery. Below, whatever you find that is related to Jainism. The Jain people used to stay there during the rainy season. This is the foundation of a Buddhist monastery. The different religion, how they made on such height, because downstairs you cannot find this type of rock. But here they are bringing somewhere else. These stones they are bringing from somewhere else. Because at this place there is no stones of this quality that is available. They have to bring up to this type of stone.
Gift kerana cari jasa.
Sige di kiyari.
Ito ang college sa Sunan sa Siyang. Meron. Hai. Menang iwan nasi ti. Okay, matangin din le. Kuisa siya na. Ito. Wow. Nice.
Hello, this is Bada. So, say something, Bada, about today's trip.
About this cave, I will tell you later because we just reached here, no? Same only.
I can't Japan. Japan.
Ah, la sa tulad ha, naman si tulad ang mabansir, kami ang